Hey there YouTube, this is a quick OpenBSD video slightly related to the release of OpenBSD 7.7. It's about sysupgrade. So let's just first zoom this in a bit. Let's give you a new fetch. So this is my system and I'm running current. So that's why I can demonstrate this. It will be the same if you're running 7.6 and then going to upgrade to 7.7. So yes, it's about this thing. It's called sysupgrade and it's used to upgrade your system. If you're running stable, then there's some flags you might think that might be useful. And it's this one, which will keep the package sets around after you upgrade, which is handy if you break something and then you don't have to fetch it from a remote somewhere and then you have it on your local system. Might be good for some things if you have the space for it. And this one is very useful, which means that after it does fetch the packages and sets like the upgrade kernel and stuff like that, then it won't reboot until you reboot. So that might be handy. Then you could put an upgrade in place for when you reboot. So yeah, then nothing will happen yet. So you can just keep using your system. Because I am on current, I usually use this one. And that will upgrade you to a snapshot, which is basically a compiled current. They will compile current every once in a while, make a release out of that, and that's what -s is. Remember that if you use -s, syspatch won't work anymore. I can actually demonstrate this. If I do, it will just complain that, hey, this unsupported because it's current, but sysupgrade will work. So let's do that. So -s for me, and then -n for don't reboot yet. So it's fetching the packages. I have a fast internet connection, so it will go quickly. And that's a kernel, blah, blah, blah. And it will now do all the other packages. It will do the first, and then, because the -n, and what that looks like in your root is that this one will have been added. Which is, I think, these two are, oh yeah. These are almost the same. I think this one I can actually remove because I copied that for an experiment. But single processor, kernel, and I am running the multiprocessor because I have a multiprocessor CPU. And then this is the kernel it will boot next. The bootloader will do next, and then it will upgrade your system to whatever package set is in home_sysupgrade. I can also show you that. See, all the package sets are there with all the hashes and stuff like that. So yeah, that's a quick OpenBSD tip. Use sysupgrade to upgrade your system, and that's it. See you guys around and take care. Oh, I noticed that Zany is doing OpenBSD content again. So go check him out if you like this kind of stuff. I'll put a link to his channel down here. Give the guy some more views. He needs it. So there. So see you guys around. Goodbye.